In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add downloadable documents on Wix. Start by opening your site in the Wix editor. Once you are inside the editor, go to the left-hand toolbar and click the Add Elements icon, which is the plus sign. This is where you can add new items to your page. From there, choose either a button or an image, depending on how you want visitors to access the file. A button is usually the clearest option if you want people to know they can click to download something, but an image can also work well if it matches your page design. After you choose the style you want, drag it onto your web page and place it where you want the downloadable document link to appear. Next, click on the button or image you just added. This will open the floating action menu for that element. In that menu, look for the link icon and click it. This is the setting that lets you decide where the button or image will send visitors when they click on it. When the link settings open, look at the list of options on the left-hand side and select Document. This tells Wix that you want this element to link directly to a file rather than to another page, a web address, or some other destination. After that, click the blue Choose File button. This will open the Wix Media Manager, which is where your uploaded files are stored. To add your document, you can drag and drop the file directly into the window from your computer, or you can click Upload Media in the top left if you prefer to browse for the file manually. Wix supports common document types like PDF, docx, and XLSX, so this is useful for downloads such as guides, forms, worksheets, or other resources. Once the file finishes uploading, click on it so it is selected and make sure you see the blue check mark. That confirms the correct document is attached. Then click Add to Page in the bottom right corner. After that, click Done to save the link settings for your button or image. The final part is very important. Make sure you click Publish so the downloadable document is live on your website and available to your visitors. If you skip publishing, the changes will stay only inside the editor, and people will not be able to access the file on your live site. That covers everything you need to know.